Hello everybody. Today I'm going to go through my inside toolbox. This is the what I call the inside toolbox anyway. It needs a clean out, so I'm going to clean that out now. Don't know what's inside, so it could be quite embarrassing. So yeah, let's go through it, see what there is. I'm just wondering if my little hammer's in there, because I've got a little hammer, an S-wing hammer. I think it's a 15 ounce and it's 12 ounce maybe. It's got a straight claw. I'm just hoping that's in there. But here's I keep it behind me. As you can see, this is my background. Keep my little toolbox here. Now I use it for all sorts of things. Straight away, notice double glue here. Super glue. Which is this glue here. So I keep some of this glue in the box. Some always fixing kid stuff. Tape measure. It's just from what do you call it? Hammer barn. Can you see that there? No. We're going to slide that across a bit. There we go. Oh, that's beautiful. And this is rehab bit set. Talks. Oh, I'm missing a couple. I'll never find them. There's a Wearer bit set. Quite a few missing. Yeah, so this covers me Torx screws, and this covers me normal screws and Allen as well. Well, it might not cover Allen's. No, it doesn't. I've got this one from you. Allen bits. Pretty groovy. Yeah, these Nipex. Don't care how you say it. What combination wrench? It's really good. It's got a button, push and slide. You can tighten up and do the reverse side. Thinking about putting that in one of my EDC kits, but I use it inside a lot. So yeah, I bought these two King Chrome fine screwdrivers for the kids' toys. They're exactly the same, but they're $2. So, and I do like the King Chrome screwdrivers. They're really nice. This is an engineer pliers. So this here is you can it's screw extractor pliers. So yeah, they're really good and they're strong. Made in Japan. Really like them. Locking everything over already. Yeah, so that's that. There's a charger for one of my O lights. Might be one in here. I don't know. I've got lighter glue, so but I've written danger all over it because it's for the kids because it's a bit toxic. Normal size creep screwdriver and flathead. Might put them aside because I probably don't need them in there. You can see that. Yeah, so they're my side ones. I'm going to put these aside because this is the clean end. Here's a vessel ratchet. Does both sides, so you can put a socket on there and or a bit. It's very handy. There's the button there for reversal. Lefty, righty, righty, tighty, tighty. Here's another pair of engineer pliers, which are covered in super glue. I like to give them a clean. But these are also screw extractors. These are very nice pliers. I like these. They just don't have a cutter on them. I believe these ones have a cutter. Yeah, they have a cutter. Seem to be missing a couple of pairs because I've got a couple of pairs of little pointy nose pliers. And I like the Engineer brand. I like green. But they're made in Japan. They're very high quality. a lighter because lighters don't go astray anyway. Pencils, we just spare. I think I pinched them off the kids. Don't tell them. So I haven't sharpened them or nothing. I will sharpen them one day. Sharpie, red. Here's me. My wife gave me this for Christmas. Probably about 3 years ago. Probably longer actually. The carving knife. Carving stone. I don't remember what brand this is. It's pretty cool though. And I use it to sharpen when I'm doing stuff inside. I use this one to sharpen. Be nice. Magnet, extendable magnet. Not that powerful, but it does the trick. I want to find stuff. I don't know what that's doing in there, so we'll put that over there. We can keep the magnet. Pop out pen. Actually, I use the I don't know if anybody's seen one of my videos where I use a Zebra 301 pop pen, and I like that better because when this is in, it's fat, so it doesn't fit with my notebooks that well. So yeah, that's that. Got some charcoal pencil. That's just so I can just sharpen that, and it will. It might be graphite. I can't remember. Yeah, it's graphite. So I can sharpen that, and well, I don't even need to sharpen it. It draws like it is. Yeah, I don't know if you saw that. But it can draw. Draws on a lot of surfaces. So yeah, that's very handy. Two long vessel bits. They go well in the it's got like so it's extended. They don't fit too good, but they fit. Another WeHar set, something small, just Phillips heads. Well, sorry, not Weira. Let's just move this along. Got a little clamp, so when I'm fixing the kids' stuff or something I've broken, so I break a lot of stuff. The little cheap clamp off Amazon. Hobby knife. Build it. So you can just for the fine things. Bit of Loctite. I'm going to use in that BPS knife that keeps coming loose on me. Multicolour pen. Going to keep a lot of pencils in here. Now this is where the junk starts. What do we got here? Key ring. That over there. Oh, this is so this is for this. And it's for getting the dents out in your car. So you go behind it, you can just tap it. And you need to get a dent out. So you go behind the dent, whichever way, you can get it. So that's for that. So keep that. Don't know why I've got it in the inside box. It should go out. I'm going to put that in the box outside. Couple of toolbox, what looks like it. I'll never find them if I put them in there, but they're these ones are Savata G hooks for the backpack or pouches. It's molly webbing. They're very strong. Got bits of wire. I've obviously tried to fix something. An axe wedge. Got in the toolbox outside too. Here's the bottom of that graphite pencil. Oh, got a Torx bit. I found one. Should find where that goes right now, shouldn't I? No rusty screw in there. You can have that. Do you want that? Well, I want to focus. You can have that. Actually, I can get that. Good. Wow, thank you for doing this for me. It's really great. There's another vessel bit. Rob said too. Another Torx bit. Won't put the bits back. This is a drum key. Tuning drums. Don't know why it's in there. But oh yes, I do because it's the inside. I can find it easy. It's a spare one. Tiny little hinges. Huh. They can go out and just multi-bond. I think this is contact glue. It's good stuff. Right, that's the top. My hammer's there, yeah. So this is a cool little hammer. It hasn't got the weight on it, which it did. It's either um, 12 or 15, no, 15 ounce. I can't remember now, but it's an S-wing. That's my pride and joy. Hammers fix everything. If you're going to have one tool, it's got to be a hammer. I've got a nice little sorting out tray that I've got here that I probably won't use. Don't know where they come from. I've got some vice grips. These are actually Knipex ones. Again, don't care how you say it. Yeah, these are very good. Use them quite a bit, obviously. Pretty well beaten. Another screwdriver I don't need. These are pliers that I did have in a my EDC kit. I must have taken them out and not put them back in. So these pliers are made in England. They're off my father-in-law, who's passed now, but he gave me some tools that I could keep because he knew I restore and stuff, and these are very old. I think they're 80 years old. So yeah, very nice. I might pass him down to one of my kids. Bolt cutters, Knipex ones as well. So I've got like decent cutters as well as pliers. Now I don't know why I keep this in here. I'm going to take it out because it takes up room, and I never really use it. So, and I hate orange. So here's some sockets. They're vessel sockets. Only goes up to 13 mil. They're metric. Yeah, it's Australia's funny. We use metric and imperial, but yeah. So yeah, but that's obviously goes with that ratchet. This ratchet here. We're getting there. This is a Countycom scalpel. Real delicate task and really sharp. I've got spare blades for it and everything. Yeah, I'm sorry I'm not looking at the camera. I apologise for that. I'm not used to this sort of stuff. It's weird. So yeah, that's Countycom. Got a pocket clip. I don't know why you carry it in the pocket, whatever. We know a lot of carry knives anyway. So that's handy for inside job. Little mini pry bar. Yeah. So I'm gonna do a video on pry bars. I've got to do that. So it's a pry bar that it works really surprisingly well. This one, it's an S-wing as well. Um, I like to buy quality tools, and this has obviously been built up over a long time. So it's not like I bought um, heap of really good quality tools and just started using them. Looks like an IKEA pack of something. I can go out. Here's a spare. No, yeah, there's spare blades for the thing. Um, the fold out scalpel, but I've also got some other little blades in there too. You know what? I'll start putting little things stuff in here. So another couple of clamps, another bit, a Phillips head, instructions, a little vise, ribbon, tie it around your head like that. Don't know. Oh, look at this. Oh, 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 oh. Don't need them. Little brush because you never know. You need a paintbrush. Some furry cable tie things like Velcro. Oh, I've got a few bits here. Well, here's a clip for a torch or something. I'm glad I got that. Oh, there. What is it? And I got the bits here. Oh, a bit of charcoal. I mean, graphite. I keep getting that wrong, don't I? That was a battery going flat. Yes, I got some vid holders as well, which I don't really use that much. And a couple of little um, so my wife got me a big idea design slider thing a while back now, and it cost her a fortune. And it is. Oh, yes, I do. One of my key rings. And so I just keep these little razor blades in there. And yeah, those a lot of bit holders that I'm not currently using because they're all everywhere. Don't know what that is. Something I've had to glue somewhere. Keep that there. Yeah, the spacer, just a bit of tube. Oh, look at this. It's a Nat's ruler. Um, always handed out ruler. Another bit that I can put, like, extend sockets if I need to. And, oh, I forgot about these. So these are titanium chopsticks. So these were going to be used for pointers. So I can point out things. Oh, this is my thing. There's my tape. There's glue and pliers and cutters and hello you and hello you. All right, see, titanium. I wonder how strong now. Fuck, I bent that. Look at that. What a dickhead. Oh no, now it's the other way. Wow, they're pretty rubbery. Okay, so don't bend titanium chopsticks. That is it. Another clamp and a couple of screws. So let's put it all back, shall we? Let's fit that way. Good. The big clamp won't fit in there. Yes, it will. Put something underneath that though. I'll keep the blade actually down the bottom so the big fella won't get them. The cutters, I better put them in the bottom. Oh no, I can put them in the top. Doesn't matter if you lose a couple of fingers, you'll learn. Now this quality, look at this. Don't need that. They're all in there. I'll cut now. I'll put the glues in the bottom. I'm going to keep these out actually. Um, I forgot they're the pointers. Now let's have a look what's missing out of here. They're all there. Where did I put the bits? Crowded in there, isn't it? Pins over this side. It's got a little weird. A bit lovely. Sharpener. Go there. Two little screwdrivers. This can go out. Don't need that in there. Can go in there. And this can go with that. Goes with that. So I think I've sorted it. I don't know. Now, what's missing out of here? It has got Torx in there. I'm missing an Allen. This one I reckon goes in. Yeah. Yep. Few Torx bits, but they don't go in there. So I'm missing quite a few over there. I'll hunt them down. These I'm not sure where they go, so I'm going to put them in this holder here. I'll be a spare holders can go at the bottom. Strong key. Pen. Excuse me. Couple of pencils. That one shut there, so graphite pencils go there. Another bit. Where did I put that bit? Now let's see if these go in here. So. Look at that. Full set. Beautiful. Now we are we are we are done. No, it doesn't shut. Well, we've got to go on the bottom. Could be the batteries. There we go. Look at that. Beautiful. Now, have I got something I can get that off? Yep. Beautiful. We are done. With the clean. Thank you for joining me along with my tool set thing. This is so big fella can't get into it. And me too. Goes back in there. Ah! Done. Thanks for joining me along this ride. Appreciate it. All the stuff I took out. They're not bad. All right, thanks for joining me. I appreciate it. I hope you got a lot out of that. Probably didn't. I didn't say the box. Oh. Anyway, you saw inside the box. So it's a Toyo made in Japan box. It was the titanium colour. They're really good boxes. So if you're ever having a look, you can buy small ones as well, like little organisational ones. I've got some of them too. Yeah, so yeah, just quick look at my tools and stuff that I use inside. So you don't have to run out to the garage. I've also got a bit out of my desk. Forgot to show that. So this is my wife finds that handle very comfortable. So do I, and it's good. Like I don't know, just around the house. Sometimes I need stuff to undo the kids' toys to put the batteries in and things like that. Yeah, I keep adding to it, don't I? It's everywhere. Oh, I just lost a bit. All right, thank you for joining me on this little journey of going through my toy box. Yeah, toy box. That's all right. All right, thanks. See you on the next video. Oh, special thank you to subscribers. I've got over 10 subscribers now. Oh, I'm happy. And I think I've got 1,200 views total. It's made me very happy. My target was 10 views at the start. Killed it. I know it's nothing in the grand scheme of influencer world, but I'm nothing, I'm nobody. But it means a lot anyway. So yeah, if you want to subscribe or whatever, that'd be great. Thank you.